article about how to drive your boyfriend wild by making him jealous. Well, don't tell him about it.
Oh, get off.
That's why you don't have a man, because you don't know what to leave out.
Man, I get on the motorcycle. I drive this thing.
So you leave out the part where you control it.
I drive this thing.
You know, you really need to start blinking.
It sucks. I don't even drive. Fuck. Oh, get on my level, kids. Come on, boy, come over here. Ooh, yes. Watch me hit this dude. Oh, now I'm the king. Let's go. Watch try me. Oh, try me. We're getting the king level. Come on. Oh, okay, that's the king level back, I guess. Oh, look what you made me. Man, you made me less up, man. Shot ever. Dude! Let me get a shot, first of all. Can I get one kill? At least? I'm about to kill you. Watch me. Where is he? Let's get this scope. See what I say? No, God. Hey, buddy. Turn around next time. Oh, my gosh.
Nice. Now, how many people will be participating in the of 3 children and 2 adults? Splendid.
But you ain't the king here. Oh. Oh.
Well, go get her. We're getting ready to start here.
Oh, I'm not letting a noob be the king. Oh my gosh. Bacon, boy. Get on my face. Oh.
This is Bob Hewitt from Flag Photo.
Hi, Bob.
Hello. Lovely.
No! I was almost trying to kill you, man. You messed me up. You messed me up. I'll get on my face. Get on my level. Oh. Oh man, I didn't explode you. Oh my gosh. Just because I killed you, you're gonna kill me back. Yeah, it's like, boy, get on my face.
Well, we are ready to get started.
Get on my face. Let's go, boy.
Robbie Bob here is on a very tight schedule. Can this possibly wait?
Wait, where is he?
Another 15 years?
Oh, where's the king at? Who has the king? Oh, I see him. I feel I'm trying to shoot at me. Oh, there he is. No, it's not
It's a
him.
lousy, low-down, sleaze-bag thing to do to lie to your own wife for 15 years.
Oh, he's right there. There he is. Oh.
As long as we're going to start in the 3rd degree, let's start with your sister.
You leave her out of this.
Why does she have to butt her nose in our business?
Hey, it's your fault, not hers.
Jackie?
You're dead, boy. Oh, is that this guy for
Thanks, Big Mom.
There we go. I got the cash.
You hear the blab about Phyllis?
Sorry, Dan. Wait, what
Oh.
is it now?
Who killed him?
To the town. It was one measly date.
Oh, you ain't no king, Bob. Get on my face. Oh. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Shoot for me. Well, he wants me to come up here and get me, I guess.
Yeah, honey, it was no big deal.
You want this king? Come up here and fight me for it. Come on.
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Oh, you wanted it so bad. Oh, I took this over. That's not a good thing. Oh, you're not getting this, boy. Oh, you're not getting my king. Whoever wants it comes up here and fight me for it.
I was saying you dumped me. What was I supposed to do?
Yes, I'm trying to fight for him, boy. I see you over there.
Yeah, well, you got a funny way of showing it.
No one's catching this on. Come on now.
Nothing.
Wait, oh, hey, how you get up there?
She hopped on my motorcycle. We went
Why you
for a
weren't even
ride.
allowed to be up there all the way?
Rolled around.
Oh man.
Yeah, now you just stop anyway.
Oh,
I don't remember. We just rode around.
what's up here? Oh, he got.
Riding around, not stopping anyway.
Okay, he came up there and fighted me for it. He's a good one. He's a smart one. I'm sure you get him back though.
Rosie.
Wait, where is he? Stop being up there, bro. It's cheating.
Watch out, Hill.
I didn't even come after you. I didn't shoot you at all. Looks like I got my money.
Ever gonna do this?
Hey, look, there's $3. Gives you $20. Get that. And then, but don't kill me, bro. Guess what? You're dead now. So can't kill me. You're dead. And there we go.
Yes.
Stop aiming for that red thing.
We're ready when you are.
Oh, got him.
No, we can do it right
Yeah, that's right, boy. Get on my level. Kill me. No, please. Back of you. Don't kill me. I'll kill you. Ah. Oh, jeez. Oh, who's shooting? Shoot me. Oh. Okay, let's go. Let's do this again. Who's gonna come up here and get me? Oh, I actually killed him.
TJ was so cute.
Stop being a
I don't
noob.
know if we're getting
I'm on level.
Are we?
Only I am the king.
Did I forget to
No one
say
else is
I'm
the
not
king
talking
except
to
me.
you?
Well, I want to tell you everything that happened.
Don't you dare come up here, boy. Don't dare.
Look,
Wait.
when you broke up with me, I
Oh
don't
my
know, I
gosh.
guess I was trying to prove something.
Someone's
to
actually gonna
myself.
come up here, bro.
I don't know
Watch
why
this
I
stop
keep
now.
jealous.
Watch this.
Okay, I
Anyone?
know.
Get out of my
She
level.
just broke up with her boyfriend.
No one
I ran
else?
into her at a party. We
What
went
is
for a
gonna come
ride.
up
We
here?
wound up on the hill.
Okay, I guess it was this.
Sorry, yeah.
Oh, she jumped on me. Oh my gosh, that's not fair. Dude, that's a hack. Cheat. That's cheat. 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 Cheat.
Can you tell me how you, make love with somebody interested?
Cheating. 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 Cheating.
Start with a case of beer.
Oh. Oh.
And go get me a case of beer.
He's gonna come up here.
Chicago
He's gonna
Fair.
come up here and face me like a man. Oh. Oh, will this guy do it?
Good team anymore.
He has a super speed. He has the super speed
Oh,
one.
means something. Means something. Why does it always have to mean something?
I don't know, Dan.
Boom. Oh, I'm gonna hit this.
What happened?
Oh, I
that
actually
long ago
did.
doesn't
I
have
actually
anything
did
to do
hit
with
that.
who we now.
Yes, it does.
Hmm.
You are the one person I thought I could trust.
Boom.
Still in. That's
No, that was gonna be my kill. Who took it?
And how come I'm sitting here wondering what else I don't know about you?
Oh, I hit her again. You ain't the best. Are you gonna come up here, boy? Oh, oh, God. Aim for her.
God, I hate you.
Hey, shh. Or just aim for this guy. No,
No one
no,
else is
no,
really
no, no. Who's cheating? Well, whoever's up there, that's cheating because I'm the king still and no one can get me. Ooh.
I was doing this
Oh.
for us. I'm
Oh,
proud of this family.
oh,
I'm proud of the
oh,
fact
oh,
that we 15 years.
oh.
You know how amazing that is?
Oh, this girl's gonna come up here, watch.
Considering I can't stand it.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody
Speedy,
thought we
he's
got
hard to
married
hit.
too young, that we would
Yes.
never last.
He went super fast.
Here we are.
Here we go, let's go up here then. Maybe I can hit
What
one
our
up
secret
here.
is.
One hit me.
Can't afford to pay
I'm afraid I'm gonna get hit. Nope, I actually did not.
Hey, give me some
Oh
of
my
that there
gosh.
blanket.
Now I gotta go on your side.
Ow. Why don't you go find old Phil
Yeah,
to
just
warm
go
up
on
your
here
big
then.
old butt?
Be the
No,
highest
we can
one.
warm up my big old butt like
Fuck.
you,
The
baby
girl
cakes.
is
25.
the.
Stupid darling.
Oh, she hit me!
Etc.
Hey! I'm on level 0 again. I am 9.
This is nice.
I can't even hit this guy. There we go. Just jumping in place. I'm like, yeah, it's not. You're gonna jump over the bullets.
Not too bad.
Okay, come on, boys. Come on.
God, say one more word about
Come
my
on.
family friend who you were-
Fuck, girl! I hate you.
You're not too ugly.
Watch me kill you, girl. Watch me kill you.
Can I take this one as well?
See? That's what you get.
Sure. Darlene's blocking my softball trophy now.
Get out of here.
This is the one we want to send into the yearbook.
Dude! Why are you sneaking up?
Guys are all
Stop
full
sneaking
of
up
crap.
behind me. I'm gonna kill you. Stop trying to be better than me, bud.
I don't look like
Bacon!
Yeah, you
Boy.
do.
I
that. Well, we're not sending in that one.
Well,
dead,
Well,
Bacon.
what are we gonna
You're
do?
dead.
well, there's always Yellowstone.
No! Girl, I am tired of you. Leave this server right now, boy. Where's the key? You guys are not. Girl. Wait, why are your arms spread away from your chest? But, yes, get trapped on a motorcycle. How do you get to drive it? You don't even get to drive that. How do you get to drive it? Boy, you're not aiming for me, bro. Anyone comes in here, they're dead. God, this, I forgot, over here was like the best spot to hide in. Just gonna collect this cash. Money. Money. Die! Money killed. Oh, I'm the king? Wait, what? No, I'm not. I didn't know I was the king at first. Oh, now Mr. Speed is the king. Oh, this they can do this. Still, oh, can I actually? Oh my gosh, Speedy dude! Oh, I actually hit that. I had to try to get in that place. Oh, I don't want to stay back. I have to try to get in here.
My side birthday.
Oh my god, he found me.
Remember when I had him down to here? With my hair down to my shoulder?
Yeah, and when you spread your motorcycle, you had to burn my beret.
Yeah, I was.
Wait, what? I'm not even allowed to go over there? Oh god. Oh.
Married me.
Oh, I actually got in. What? Dude.
38 inches of snow in Fargo, North Dakota.
It's not fair because he gets a one super fast. It's not fair, it's best hiding place. No! No! Get out of here. That's right, boy. Get on my level. There's a person way above me.
Pour some of that over my feet, would ya? It's 12 degrees
Ah.
out of the house this morning. Tell me about it.
Where is he? Oh my gosh, the stupid girl was. Wasn't the guy after me, it was the girl. Man.
Crystal, you alright?
Where are you? Oh, yes.
I'm fine. Hey, Pete, any heat coming out of there at all? You gonna fix that heat or do we build a bonfire?
No. Can't hit me now, boy. Can't touch me. What they to do? Oh, okay, I have to kill her. No! Speedy guy! Whatever your name is, I don't care. But, dude, I'm not playing no more. Oh, almost went past that. Girl, I don't like you.
I thought I was gonna try and get tickets to the auto show.
Well, don't even think about it.
There is now.
We could actually shoot that and it'll make me die. What are you doing? Yes!
Oh,
Dang it!
For a couple of days.
yeah, well, if you
Big stupid craphead. Why?
No, you don't owe me any explanation.
Yeah.
$20 for the tickets.
No.
No.
Dude, if he goes near that. Yes! I actually killed him with that.
It's on me.
Flip that one real quick. Wait, I'm the king still. Yes, good.
Well, you're going pretty
Oh!
fast there, Seth.
Oh!
Oh, I got the
Wait, jump
tickets
up one more time.
free. Trying to make you
Wait, why am I... Let me get that cash.
Well, then you got something for a headache.
Ah.
Yeah. Big thing
Ah.
hit.
Oh. Watch, I'm gonna hit this. Oh, I already killed her. Mr. Speedy! Stop thinking you are gonna hit me. You're not gonna hit the king, bro. Yeah, stop trying to climb up there, bro. Mr. Speedy! Stop it. Just get up here real quick. No one hit me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. People are trying to hit me. I don't know who it is. But some people are trying to hit me. Get behind the wall. Get behind the wall.
For somebody else. And you didn't.
You have to get in there.
I'm so stupid. Stupid.
No! Speedy! No! Oh.
I'm sorry. It's just my whole world collapsed. Well, there's only one thing to do.
Oh, I'm not dying today.